Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about basic genetic terminology. These are the fundamental terms used in genetics, and understanding them is essential before studying microbial genetics, molecular biology, or genetic engineering. Gene. A gene is the basic unit of heredity. It is a specific segment of DNA that contains the instructions for producing a particular protein or functional RNA. Genes determine inherited characteristics, such as eye color, blood group, and many other traits. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the genetic material present in almost all living organisms. It stores hereditary information and provides the instructions needed for growth, development, reproduction, and normal cellular functions. Chromosome. A chromosome is a thread-like structure made of DNA and proteins. It carries thousands of genes arranged in a specific order. Each species has a characteristic number of chromosomes. Genome. The genome is the complete set of genetic material in an organism. It includes all of the organism's DNA, including every gene and non-coding sequence. Allele. An allele is an alternative form of the same gene. Different alleles can produce different versions of a particular trait. For example, different alleles may determine different blood groups or flower colors. Genotype. The genotype is the genetic makeup of an organism. It refers to the specific combination of alleles that an individual inherits from its parents. Phenotype. The phenotype is the observable characteristics of an organism, such as height, eye color, or flower color. These characteristics result from the interaction between the genotype and the environment. Mutation. A mutation is a permanent change in the DNA sequence. Mutations may occur naturally or be caused by environmental factors. Some mutations are harmless, while others can lead to genetic disorders or create beneficial variations. Genetic inheritance. Genetic inheritance is the process by which genetic information is passed from parents to their offspring through genes. This process explains why children often resemble their parents. Genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology that studies genes, heredity, genetic variation, and how traits are transmitted from one generation to the next. Conclusion. Understanding these basic genetic terms provides a strong foundation for learning advanced topics such as microbial genetics, molecular genetics, biotechnology, and genetic engineering. Mastering these concepts will make it easier to understand how genetic information is stored, expressed, and inherited in living organisms. Thank you for listening.